Good morning, good morning, good morning, dear kids. How are you? Yes, look at here. Your new friend is meet to you all. Say hello to your friend. Oh, it is an elephant. Okay. Which animal is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, any guessing? Yes, this is an elephant. Okay, say hello. 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 I hope you had enjoyed with your new friend. Yes. Today is Monday and we are going to learn one new topic, that is these and those. Yes. What is the meaning of these and what is the meaning of those? So today we are going to learn about this topic, these and those. Yes, dear kids. These and those. Yes. These. These. These and A and D and A and D and those. Those. Okay. So today we are going to learn about this topic. Yes, dear kids. You had already learned about these and that. Today we are going to learn these and those. Now, these, where we use this and what is the meaning of these? The meaning of these is used when these is used in the plural objects. Yes, now tell me what is plural? More than one object. Like tell me what is this? THIS this. What is this? These are butterflies. क्यों यहाँ पर THESE लगा है बेटा? नोट द स्पेलिंग. हमने इसके पहले THIS दिस पढ़ा है और आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं THESE these. ओके. These means एक से ज़्यादा. जैसे यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो how many butterflies are here. So we will use here these. THESE these. Okay. These are butterflies. Okay. Now one more example I am going to show you. What is these? These are insects. THESE these. We use THESE these. Okay. Along with this, these are insects. Okay, dear kids. THESE these. We use these more than one object. Yes. Where we use these beta? Where we use this spelling THESE? Whenever the object is more than one. Okay. So that time we use these. Okay. These are insects. Okay, dear kids. Now I am going to give one more example. These are stars. These are stars. Okay. Yes, one more example I want to give you. Yes. Along with these, now tell me which fruit is this? Apples. These are apples. Okay. These के साथ आपको ARE भी लगाएंगे, है ना बच्चों? क्योंकि एक से ज़्यादा है इसीलिए हम R भी साथ में लगाएंगे. These are apples. apples. These are apples. Okay. THESE. These ARE apples. Okay. Because there is many more apples are here. Okay. That's why we will insert THESE. These. We will use these. Okay. Now, spelling of those. 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 What is the spelling? THOSE. Those. Now tell me what is the meaning of those? Those, it means the objects are far away from us. In that case, we use those. Yes, in previous we had used that, and in here we will use those. Those, where we will use those, beta? Objects are those objects far away from us. In that case we use those. 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 Now I am going to give you some of the example for those also. Okay. Yes, look at the trees, beta. Trees are far away from us, so we will use those. Okay, those are trees. Okay, Mrs. kept some balls over here, beta. These balls are very far away from me. So in that case we will use those. Those are balls. क्योंकि एक से ज़्यादा है बॉल, इसीलिए यहाँ पर हम बॉल्स बोलेंगे. यस, एंड आर भी लगाएंगे. ARER. वी यूज R also. ARE. Those are balls. Those are balls. Okay. So here it is more than one book. So we will again use those. Those are books. Those are books. Okay. Again books are far away from me. Okay. That's why we will use those here. THOS. Yes, look at these kids, beta. These kids are far away from me. So again we will use those. Those are kids. Okay. I think you had understood the meaning of these, 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 and THOSE, those, dear kids. Now we will write some of the sentence in our book also. Okay. Now before that I am going to show some of the pictures given in your book, beta. So take out page number 9494. Yes. So look at these pictures. Okay. Yes. These are children's. Yes, these are children's. Why we use these, beta? Because there is more children. एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पर क्या यूज़ किए हैं? THESE. These are children. Okay. Then like the same way now look at here. Those are parents. Yes, those are parents. Parents are standing away. Yes, बहुत दूर है, far away. Yes, so here we will use those. Those are parents. Okay. एक चीज हमेशा याद रखिए, those कहाँ यूज होता है? चीजें हमसे दूर रहती है, वहां पर हमको क्या यूज करना है? those. ओके. those के साथ में आप R का भी यूज करोगे. ARER. ओके. नाउ again look at this picture, beta. These are स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर स्टूडेंट्स। क्यों यहाँ पर आर दिया है और स्टूडेंट्स दिया है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स है। ओके, नाउ अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग ऑल दिस सेंटेंसेस बेटा। दीज आर चिल्ड्रन, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं इसीलिए यहाँ पर दीज लिखा है। और ये पास में भी है, पास वाली चीज़ों में हम दीज के साथ में आर भी लगता है। ओके, सो दीज आर चिल्ड्रंस। ओके, नाउ लुक एट द सेकेंड पिक्चर बेटा। Parents are standing far away from this hand. Look at this hand. Okay, so those are parents, है ना? Those are parents because this picture is far away. Yes, far. This picture is far. These are students. देखिए ये जो है, look at this picture. This is near to this hand. Okay, so that's why here we will use these. These are students. Why we will use these are students? because एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर, इसीलिए यहाँ पर हम THESE these are students. Okay, now look at this teachers beta and look at this hand. हैंड से कितने दूर है टीचर्स? बहुत दूर है ना, फार। सो यहाँ पर हम क्या लगाएंगे? दोज आर टीचर्स। एक से ज़्यादा टीचर है इसीलिए यहाँ पर टीचर्स आएगा। ओके, दोज आर टीचर्स। नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर। दीज आर बैट्स। एक से ज़्यादा बैट है इसीलिए, और हाथ के पास है इसीलिए यहाँ पर दीज आर लगता है। ओके, दीज आर बैट्स। एक से ज़्यादा बैट है, चमगादड़ एक से ज़्यादा है इसीलिए हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ पर? THESE दीज आर बैट्स, क्योंकि ये पास में है। नाउ लुक एट दिस हैंड एंड बॉल। दिस इज फार अवे फ्रॉम द हैंड। यस, सो हियर वी विल यूज दोज आर बॉल्स। यस, क्यों यहाँ पर दोज लगाए बेटा? क्योंकि ये दूर है। ओके, ये हैंड से बॉल बहुत दूर है, और बॉल यहाँ पर बॉल्स क्यों लगा बेटा? क्योंकि एक से ज़्यादा है इसीलिए यहाँ पर आर का यूज हुआ है, ARE आर। ओके, सो वी विल रीड दिस सेंटेंस। दोज आर बॉल्स। ओके, नाउ टेक आउट पेज नंबर 9999 डियर किड्स. Yes, identify this picture and make sentence using those. Okay, using these, those. Okay, sentence using these and those. Okay, so look at this picture beta. Some kids are playing, so these are kids. What you will write here? These. THESE these. THESE these are kids. KIDS kids. Now look at the second picture. Those are trees. What you will write here beta? Those are trees. Okay, THOSE those are trees. Now you will write here these are fruits. These are fruits. Now what you will write here? Those are books. THOSE those are books. BOOKS books. Okay, books are far away. Books are far, so we will use here those are books. Now look at these dolls. These are dolls. क्योंकि ये पास में है इसीलिए यहाँ पर हमने दीस लगाए, THESE, दीस के साथ में आर भी लगता है क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा है. ओके, DOLLS, dolls. Okay dear kids. Again this heart is far, so we will use here those, THOSE. Those are hearts. HUTS, hearts. Okay, yes. THESE, these are boys. BOYS, boys. Okay, yes. What you will write here? Those, THOSE, those are clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. Okay, now we will read this sentence. These are kids. THESE, these are KIDS, kids. Those are trees. THOSE, those are trees. TREES, trees. These are fruits. THESE, these, ARERFRUITS, fruits. Those are books. THOSE, those, ARERBOOKS, books. Those are books. These are dolls. These are dolls. THESE, these, ARERDOLLS, dolls. Those are hearts. THOSE, those, ARERHUTS, hearts. Those are hearts. Then these are boys. THESE, these are BOYS, boys. THOSE, those are clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. Yes, I had written some of the sentence on the board, beta. So you also take it, write it in your all-in-one 4-line notebook. Yes, 4-line page. Okay, those are trees. THESE, these are hearts. Okay, those are clouds. THOSE, those are trees. Yes dear kids, THESE, these are hearts. THOSE, those are clouds. Okay, now these are fruits. FRUITS, fruits.